Hello, it's Christian with Mate. The Ecobee Smart Thermostats are a Mate favorite for adding to HomeKit. They're beautiful, reliable, and full of great features. Let's add one to our HomeKit home. Open your Home app. Select the plus sign at the top right corner and then Add Accessory. Select Don't Have a Code and then select the thermostat from the list of nearby accessories. You'll be prompted to enter a HomeKit setup code which will appear on the screen of your Ecobee. Enter the code, and the Ecobee will be added to your HomeKit home. Your Ecobee will appear 3 times, once as an occupancy sensor, once as a motion sensor, and once as a thermostat. Select or create the room that your thermostat is in, and select Next. Select Next again for the motion sensor, and then again for the thermostat. The Ecobee has the option to use additional temperature sensors, which will appear as both a temperature sensor and a motion sensor. Select or create the room that the sensor is in and select Next, and then for the temperature sensor, select Done. Your Ecobee is now part of your HomeKit home and can be controlled with Siri and used in scenes, which we'll discuss in other videos. Thanks, and have a great day. Check the description for links to products to take your HomeKit to the next level.